Welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and I want to do a look today using this Klarity Kosmetics Cobra palette. So I want to show you what the inside of the palette looks like. Looks like this. This is actually my first time trying Klarity Kosmetics. I don't have any Klarity Kosmetics products, but I've been looking at them for a while. And they did have, I think, if you're a first time buyer, like first time to their website, some type of discount. I think it was 10%. So I went ahead and bought a few things. I got some single eyeshadows and 2 palettes. I saw that they're coming out with a palette in February that I'm probably going to go ahead and get. So let's go ahead and test this out and see if it is worth it or not. Alright, so obviously this look is going to be green. And I've been in a green mood lately, like green or blue. So there's definitely going to be more green and blue looks coming. All right, so they do have names on them. Okay, so it's Cobra, like the snake. So this is hysterical and it has like a bunch of S's, like hysterical. So we're gonna put this in our crease first. And I think, oh wait, you know what? Let me stop. Hold on. Okay, let me stop. I need to find my tape because I wanted to use tape today. So I'm going to go put the tape on and then I'll be right back. Okay, back with the tape on. Almost forgot the tape. If you never used tape, you got to try tape. I think that you'll definitely love it. It makes it really precise. And I like when you take it off and it's just like perfect. So we're going to go ahead, dip into Hysterical and pat that on. Okay, so you can already see the pigment is really good. There is a mirror in the palette, so I'll use that without blocking the camera. All right, and then now I'll just blend that. And I am going to take it a little bit higher up above my crease. And then this is one of my new BH Cosmetics brushes, number 7. So I did buy some new brushes and then a couple palettes because they're having a sale. So when the rest of that comes, because it's coming in 2 packages, I'll do the haul and show you what I got. Okay, I really like this color. I'm just patting it on to give it some extra pigment and then blending towards the edges without putting anything on it to make sure it's not too harsh on the edges. All right, now we're gonna go, there is some fallout, but anyway, let's see. I don't even know what color I want to use next. I think I want to use these. I think I'm gonna put this in my crease. Okay, so below the color that we just used, which is Hysterical, we're gonna put Don't Hiss Out, which is that blue. And that's just gonna go in the crease. Okay, this is such a beautiful color, but I feel like we lost a little bit of Hysterical, so we're going to add that back. Okay, I like the way this is looking so far. I'm just taking the brush that I had, Don't Hiss Out. I didn't put anything back on it. I'm just going back and making sure that it is very smooth transition to Hysterical so it doesn't look harsh. All right, and normally I would cut my crease, but I kind of want to see how these colors perform on their own without cutting the crease. But I do need my Mario Badescu at least, so I'll be right back to get that. All right, so I'm just going to use my Mario Badescu just to spray the brush and get some color. So I think what I'm going to do is mix these two colors here on my lid. And the first one is called Python, but it's P-I-E-thon. Pie, like cherry pie. And then Snake Care. So we'll put Python on the inner corner and then Snake Care. Okay. Ooh. This is really pretty. And then let me just try it with my finger. That's what it looks like on my finger. Okay, so it shows up even better when you use your finger. That's really pretty. So let me just go ahead and use my finger on this side. And then I still need the brush because I want it to be precise. Okay, like that. Okay, so far I'm really liking this. It's actually still on my finger and I've wiped it off. All right, and then we're gonna go in with Snake Care, and I'm just gonna throw that on my finger and pat that over top. This is so pretty. And then nothing's on, well, I'm not adding anything extra to the brush, just what was on there from Python. And I'm just going to pat it where Snake Care and Python meet, so they're blending seamlessly. Okay, I kind of want some more Python here. That color is so pretty. Okay, so now my fingers look like this. Let me see if I can spray some Mario Badescu. Okay, now my hands are just, but this palette's definitely very pigmented. So far I'm really enjoying this brand, and I would recommend it at this point. So if you don't have anything from Klarity Kosmetics, go check it out. Sign up. I don't remember what the discount was, but I feel like I got 10% off for my first purchase. Okay, so then we have Boa and Arrow, and then we have Don't Hiss Me Off. And I think what I'm gonna use is, maybe I'll mix the two. I'm gonna try Don't Hiss Me Off, actually. Okay, so that's this darker green color. This is so cute. Okay, I'm just putting that on the outer edge. And I need to hold down my tape because it is lifting a little bit. Alright, you'll have to let me know what you think down in the comments. I'm going back into Snake Care, which was the shimmer shade below Python, so this one, and I want to put it here to just extend that back into Don't Hiss Me Off. Okay. Alright, and then we'll add snake hair to this side the same as we just did on the other side. Alright, let me actually deepen this side up a little bit more. Okay, so let me go off, do my face and eyeliner, and we'll come back on. I already know for my lower lash line, since I didn't use this color here, which is Boa and Arrow, I think I'm going to end up doing this on my lower lash line and maybe adding a little bit of this. We shall see. Be right back. This is the completed look, and I'll go ahead and show you what I used. So to finish off my eyes on the lower lash line, I used the color that I mentioned that I did not use on the top part of my eye, which was Boa and Arrow. And then for the inner corner, I used Mamba, which is this color here. For my waterline, I used this LA Girl Pastel Dreams eyeliner in Magic Mint. For my lashes, I did not put any false lashes on. I just used this Essence False Lashes Mascara. Eyeliner, of course, I used my Essence Super Last Deep Black. For my lips, I used this Jordana Rockin' Rose color, and then over top, I used the Glam Light in Pecan Pie. Okay. For bronzer, I used the BH Cosmetics Cocoa Cutie. Looks like that. And for blush, I use the BH Cosmetics Vanilla Peach Truffle. And I mixed this peachy color here and this pink. For my foundation, I used the Maybelline 330 Toffee Caramel. So that's this one. For, let me see, I don't see my concealer, but I used the Kylie concealer. And this is Amber. That's the color Amber. So Kylie Concealer Amber. I use my Airspun to set it. And then for my powder foundation, I use the Aqua Assurance, and this is Golden Beige. All right, and then this hair, if you're wondering, this is from Wig Types. I got the Outre Melted Hairline Isabella Dark Red Velvet. That's what this color is. Let me know what you think down in the comments below of the look, the hair, whatever. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.